Okay, YouTube, this is RBuckLover1618 here with another video. Now I only got at least half an hour to do this, so I will have to make this quick. This is a video between my Hoover Bagless twin chamber and my Hoover Breathe Easy. And like I said in the other video of the Breathe Easy, I got a lot of similarities to the Hoover Bagless twin chamber. One's a wide brush roll and the other's like, I think, maybe a 12-inch. So yeah, there's two similarities. The other similarities are the handle, the switch, and that's almost about it. I mean, they do have the cord hooks on the same side. One's got the filter on the front, the other's got it on the side. There's just so many similarities. They both got the big wheels in the back and small in the front. Agitation on both is the same. What else is identical? They both have like a few height adjustments, like maybe 5, I think. Well, one's got the hose attachments on the height adjustment, and the other doesn't. So I think they both got they both got 4 height adjustments. Anyway, we're gonna get started. I've done talked for long enough. Get some paper to put down, and we'll do the test. Sorry, I got some stuff in the other side of my main show area. I have used the Breathe Easy in my house already, so I'll probably have to use it tomorrow after I get done at an interview, because I've already proven, no, not an interview, a meeting. So anyway, hold on a second. Alright, I had to put my roommate back in handcuffs. So now we can get moving with the video. I'm going to start with the Breathe Easy. And once again, the switch, power switch thing is in the same area on both of them, and it's the same kind. Here we go. That did really good. Now, there may be some bearing sounds in the Hoover Bagless twin chamber, but that's overall, there's nothing wrong with it. So here we go. Well, like I said, they kind of clean equally. Well, I didn't say that. I said that about the Breathe Easy and the Sanitaire, but I didn't say that about this. My mistake. Anyway, there you go. Hoover Bagless Twin Chamber versus the Hoover Breathe Easy. And like I said, lots of similarities. Only one has the hose on the side. The other one, the hose would come up like around on the back behind the handle. This one has it on the side, on the caddy. It's kind of like a caddy vac and Breathe Easy at the same time. The caddy vac was bagged, like a lot of us know, and the Hoover Bagless Twin Chamber, obviously, it's right there in the title, is bagless. It's got a dirt cup, but it's direct aired, so airflow comes through here and through the tube, so it's not like a wind tunnel bagless twin chamber. So, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see, and I will see what I can do and how I can do it. The Breathe Easy definitely has a lot more airflow than the Hoover Bagless Twin Chamber. So that's something to note. Also, other than Amazon or eBay, where could I find bristles for this? This is a Vibra Groomer 2, as you can see, but the bristles are worn down to almost nothing. So if any of y'all have any ideas of where I can get the bristles other than eBay or Amazon, please hit me up. I need to know that. So I gotta get ready to go to work, smoke a cigarette before I go, because obviously you can't smoke at a school. And maybe do a little dipping before I go as well, because you obviously can't do that at a school either. So anyway, until next time, bye.